I'm an executive compensation practitioner, which means I represent companies and individuals in their compensation arrangements, which can range from representing CEOs, representing private equity companies, representing public companies, and essentially I negotiate employment agreements, equity agreements, operating agreements, shareholders agreements, basically any document that impacts a person's compensation, whether it's cash or equity or some derivative form of compensation. Having a sound legal foundation, at least coming from where I came from, is just required. So being knowledgeable and having the technical expertise. But my clients say, you're very practical, you get the deal done. I guess what my strength would be is understanding what is critical to my clients, whether it's the company or the executive, advocating for those points, as well as getting the necessary protections. And so it's really having a practical approach to negotiations. It's not let's burn down the house over every item. It's really understanding what is important. How do we minimize taxes? How do we protect you? How do we make sure that you're taking the job or hiring the person that you want to hire? My clients would be surprised, sometimes they're surprised that I actually have a family. I'm overly responsive to my clients. I take calls, whether I'm feeding my kids or at a birthday party. But I have a family, I'm married. I have two kids, a boy and a girl, Eliana and Gideon. And so my free time is mainly spent with them. I play tennis, competitive tennis player. Which is difficult to balance those. I tend to get up at 5 in the morning to try to either work out or play tennis with other crazy dads that are up at 5 o'clock in the morning.